If you work long hours in the shop, you know that the right stool can make or break your day. That's why Eastwood brings you two standout options, each engineered to maximize comfort and productivity: the High Roller Workbench Stool and the Low Rider Mechanics Stool. Let's dive in and show you why these stools roll laps around the competition. And don't forget, if you want to find out more, click the link in the description below to see which stool fits your workspace. First off, everything you need to assemble these is included in the box. All you need is 10 or 15 minutes and you'll be ready to roll on to your next project. Once assembled, you'll notice that these stools are built to last. The High Roller has a 400-pound weight capacity, meaning it's sturdy enough to support you and that heavy part you're pulling off the car. This is possible thanks to the aluminum frame, which is lightweight enough to roll around with ease, but tough enough to stick with you for years of projects. It's also powder coated to protect against corrosion and impacts. The Low Rider features a powder coated steel frame that holds up to 350 pounds, offering similar durability and is the perfect stool for low profile tasks under or around vehicles. The Low Rider also has a convenient tool tray. This means keeping your tools with you when you go from project to project is nice and easy. Personally, I like to use the Low Rider when I'm down low doing detail or body work, and the High Roller when I'm parked at the workbench. Getting around your garage with these stools is effortless. Equipped with 5 4-inch ball bearing swivel casters, the High Roller and Low Rider are able to glide across smooth floors with ease. Both stools have great mobility and also happen to be a ton of fun as well. When you're ready to get serious and stay put, just flip down the 2 locking casters and you won't go anywhere. Additionally, finding the perfect working height is seamless. With the one-touch gas cylinder height adjustment, you can smoothly set your stool anywhere between 26 and 29.75 inches on the High Roller and between 18 and 23.25 inches on the Low Rider. Whether you're at a workbench or working alongside a vehicle, you'll always be right where you need to be. And let's talk about comfort, because nobody wants to be sore after a long day in the garage. These seats are thickly padded and wrapped in supple synthetic leather. So when the inevitable grease smudge or coffee spill happens, just wipe it down and keep rolling. The High Roller features some additional creature comforts like a built-in footrest ring to give your legs a break, and if you want to, you can lean back and relax a little with the included backrest that is easily attachable. Here's the bottom line: the High Roller and Low Rider are here to keep you moving, keep you comfortable, and keep up with whatever you're working on. Fabrication, detailing, assembly, general tinkering, you name it, these stools are your new shop sidekick. So ditch that wobbly old stool and upgrade to something that actually works as hard as you do. The Eastwood High Roller Workbench and Low Rider Mechanics Stools are built strong, built smart, and built to help you do the job right. Grab yours today at eastwood.com.